We're gonna put our thread here. Gonna take it here. Sorry about that. I'm gonna put it to number 1. You could also hold the thread to kind of keep it stable. We're gonna go to number 3, so that's number 3 here. Then you're gonna come down to number 4. Number 4 is here. Okay. Then you follow the arrow of the thread. So number 5 is here. Make sure you can see that there. All right, and now I'm gonna bring my thread around. See, my arrow tell me to go around, so that's where I'm gonna go. Now I'm gonna go down to number 6. So number 6 is here. Sometimes, you know, we need to see clearly there. So number 6 is here. Then I'm gonna hold my hand like this. So I'm hoping that you see my hand like this. Then I'm gonna pass the thread around that loop here. So for number 7, so just like that. I'm gonna go to number 7. So number 7 here now. Sometimes most of my beginners miss that one. So right here is number 7. I'm going to pass the thread around. So I'm going to hold my hands like this again. And I'm going to pass the thread around like this. See that? Wonderful. So now that I'm done, I'm going to pull it. I'm going to thread my machine manually. Just take your time. Thread it manually. Hopefully I get it easy. Well. Okay, so I'm going to thread my thread. Alright, there I got it. Excellent. Alright, so I've threaded the needle here. And I'm going to put my thread in the back.